Hello students, the topic is demand and supply analysis, especially the elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is the responsiveness of a good to change in one of the variables on which demand depends. That is, it can be the price of the commodity, point elasticity, arc elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. Let us see different types of cross elasticity of demand. That is perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, more elastic to or unitary elastic, or less elastic or relatively inelastic demand. Now let us see what happens in perfectly elastic demand. If the price elasticity of demand is unlimited or infinite, then it is called perfectly elastic demand. In this case, a very small change in price leads to an infinite change in demand. Now second is perfectly inelastic demand. If the price of the demand is zero, then it is called perfectly inelastic demand. Here whatever may be the price, quantity demanded will never change. And then is more elastic or relatively elastic demand. If the price elasticity of demand is more than 1, then it is called more elastic demand. Here the percentage change of demand is greater than the percentage change in price. That is, for a small change in price, it leads to a greater change in the demand of a commodity. Then next is unitary elastic demand. If the price elasticity of demand is equal to 1, then it is called unitary or equal elastic demand. In this case, the percentage change in demand and the percentage change in price are equal. Now next is less elastic demand. If the price elasticity of demand is less than 1, then it is called less elastic demand. Here the percentage change in demand is less than the percentage change in the price of the commodity. For greater change in the price of the then the demand is less. In this way, these are the 5 types of price elasticity of demand. Thank you.